gotta get this.
Yeah.
This is why your balance is $22.
Maybe. I know it's not the one you wanted, but it's just until we can afford the one you really want.
How'd you know how to set it up?
Kevin, help me.
Huh?
Kevin, Daniel's husband, help me. And because I'm awesome. Play something, baby.
It's way too late.
You like it?
I did.
It's a little used. That's because of me. I had to test it out. Oh yeah, definitely. And I know you wanted 4, but you can just take one of the pieces out. That's my philosophy. Say something to the camera. Nice. Okay. I'm glad you like it. That's good. Okay. Say goodnight and tell everyone thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.